Hey guys, Paul from Coding Hopefuls here, and today I want to be going through another Java key concept known as polymorphism, and this is going to be part 2 to it, and part 2 is going to be looking at method overriding. Okay, so let's get into the example. Just to say again guys, I'm not an expert in Java, but I do these videos to help me to learn, to help consolidate my knowledge and understanding of Java, and obviously some of the key concepts in object-oriented programming. Okay, so bear with me. I'm not perfect, but I'm giving it a good try, and hopefully this video helps some of you guys as well. Okay, so let's go straight into the example. So here I've created an animal class, I've created a dog class, and I've created a cat class, and I've got my main class as well. Okay, so let's see. The animal class has a method called sound, because all animals make sound, and it prints out noise. Okay, some sort of noise that the animal makes. Okay, and because dog and cat are animals, you should say that they are subclasses of animals. I have therefore extended animal in the dog and the cat class. Okay, so in cat also I extends animal, so therefore it's going to inherit all of the methods that are in the animal class, such as public void sound, or such as sound method. Okay, and so is dog as well, because it's got to extend animals. Okay, so they both have access to the sound method. Okay, since dog and cat extend the animal class, that means that if we create a dog and cat object and use the sound method, they should both say noise. Okay, so we've already created a dog object here, which is dog obj, and a cat object, which is cat obj. So let's just use the sound method on both of them and see what it prints out. Dog obj dot sound, and cat obj dot sound. All right, so if we run that, they should both say noise. Okay, that is correct. Okay, lovely, because they both extend the animal class, and the animal class, the sound method, says noise. Okay, now method overriding, let's get into it now. Now let's say that yes, it is true that a dog makes sound, but we want to be more specific. Okay, and we're going to use this sound method, but what we want it to do is slightly different from what the animal sound method does. Okay, so let's say public void sound, and then we're going to say print line bark. Okay, why bark? Because that's what a dog does. A dog barks. All right, so we're going to just go back to the main and see what happens now when we run it. So still with the dog object, still with the cat object, still with the sound methods. So let's run it and see what happens this time. So this time we can see the dog, when we use the sound method, it said bark, and the cat one still says noise. Okay, so the dog one seems to have used the sound method that is in the dog class, rather than using the sound method that is in the animal class. Okay, this is actually called method overriding. Okay, so we've overrided the sound method that is in the animal class by creating the sound method in the dog class. Okay, and obviously giving it a different output. Okay, which is, in this case, it prints out bark. Okay, let's do the exact same thing with the cat as well. So public void sound, and what sound does a cat make? It says the cat goes meow. meow. All right. So again, go back to main. Let's run that. Lovely. So we've got bark and we've got meow now. Okay. So this is an example of method overriding. Okay. So we've overridden the method that the dog and the cat class had originally inherited from the animal class by creating that method again in each of those classes, but giving it obviously a different output. So the dog class, it prints out bark, and the cat class prints out meow for the sound. Okay, so this is an example of polymorphism method overriding. We are overriding the original method that the dog and the cat class had access to through the animal class by creating that method again and giving different outputs as well. Okay, thank you guys very much. I hope that video helped you guys to understand a little bit about polymorphism and method overriding. Thank you guys very much and have a good day.